All right, we got a Toyota Supra here. We're gonna be rolling the quarters. Not too drastic, but you can see that inside edge right there is gonna be rubbing this tire. So we just wanna do an OEM roll, no flare or anything like that, just enough to keep him from slicing up his tires. Typically you wanna do this before you paint, but better late than never, I guess. All right, and just so you can have a more clear idea of what we're talking about, rolling a fender edge is taking care of this lip right here. If you look inside, there's a 90-degree lip that goes inside and folds over. The two panels pinch weld together. So we're gonna be folding that upwards, so it's almost like a U or a V, and this edge won't be cutting into the tire. Right now I'm heating up the paint and the metal. This will hopefully keep the paint from cracking at all, and will make the metal a little easier to shape and manipulate. And right here we get the Champ fender roller, heavily modified by the Stephen Berube. And with the e-brake off, and the car on jack stands, you just work it back and forth. All right, I just finished up the driver's side quarter panel. As you can see here, we got a nice fold to it, kind of beginning right at that paint chip, unfortunately. But that whole edge is folded in all along the top. Now it won't be slicing up his new tires. Now, like I expected, but not hoped, we did get some paint chips. Fortunately, the outside of the quarter is perfect, so you don't see any issues here. And what we're gonna do is just sand the inside edge, touch it up, hope for the best.